Andrea Praber with Great Expectations Realty. So it is that time again. I know we had last month off because of December and all of the holidays are going on and all of that fun stuff. But it is time for a free home buyers workshop. It is just kicking off tonight. It is the first one for 2019. So definitely get down here if you're able to. We have Papa John's Pizza in there. We have SunTrust Bank is actually helping us out with all of your credit and lending questions that you might have. But we are just off of 200 behind Ollie's. We're in the building behind Ollie's, I guess is the best way to explain it. But we are, let's see, you can see there is Red Lobster and 200 right down there. So we're the first building right here. We're right here and we are all here waiting for you. So food, face painting, all sorts of stuff for the kids. So if you want to bring them over, you don't have to worry about making dinner. Great, just bring them in and we will talk about all things real estate. We have realtors that'll be able to answer any questions as to what are the steps to home ownership. What's the difference between what you would pay monthly for rent versus what you would pay for a mortgage with the homeowner's insurance and taxes and all of that kind of stuff. So definitely stop on in. Feel free to, tell us what your dreams are about home ownership and we'll see if we can show you the steps to get there. So thanks so much. We'll see you in a few. Bye.